Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the battery chemistry because the eraser settings differ, set to lead acid versus lithium as required. Put on gloves and eye protection and disconnect the battery negative terminal first. This prevents shorts. Once done, clamp the eraser ground lead to the chassis or negative post, then attach the positive probe to the terminal you'll clean. Make sure the eraser is on the lowest power mode to start. This limits heat and prevents surface damage. Now you operate the eraser with controlled passes, hold it at a slight angle and sweep across corrosion, not into battery seals, because aggressive pressure can gouge metal. Increase speed slowly when the surface clears, but pause every 10 to 15 seconds to inspect and cool the metal. Overheating degrades plates and terminals. Once shiny metal appears, finish with a damp cloth and a neutralizing solution if acid residue remains. Make sure to recheck tightness of clamps before reassembly. You complete the job by applying a thin coat of dielectric grease or anti-corrosion spray to prevent recurrence. This preserves the clean surface. Reconnect the battery with the positive terminal first, then negative, and torque to the manufacturer's spec to avoid poor contact. If the eraser sparks, smells, or stops working, immediately disconnect power and check the abrasive pad and wiring. Replace a worn pad and retry at low power. If problems persist, stop and consult a tech.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.